the hood for you.
Appreciate it.
All the batteries are hidden underneath here. You can't see them.
Okay, so you have a hidden compartment.
Yeah, where my spare tire was. And
That's pretty clean. Y'all did a good job on this.
Thank you.
That
Yeah, he built it for me and I installed everything.
Nice.
Making sure my ICs, I just got this base knob.
Oh, okay.
Making sure I got them in there right.
Nice. For the LED, oh, you can read your voltage and the base knob.
I got one here and then one for the front, but I just wanted one on the base knob.
Yeah.
Cool.
So could you give me a rundown real quick, your name and what's all in here?
My name is Jole. I have 4 ZVX 15 Scar Audio, Brand X 300 XL alternator. And then I got 2 AGM D3100s XS powers, and then 1 limitless 45 amp hours.
Okay. Who built the box?
Gino. And then I got a Tar Amps 12K.
Okay. What was it tuned to?
Not too sure. I forgot to get the specs before I came here today.
Okay. It's all right.
See if I get a good song.
What frequency range do you think it likes best, peak-wise?
Not too sure.
Not
honestly.
sure? You're still learning?
Yeah, I'm still learning. Like I just got these in about 2 weeks ago.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Can I see the back real quick?
Yeah, of course.
Thanks for showing me the demo, man.
Of course, man. Appreciate it. I followed the channel. I seen you earlier. I was like, ooh, I hope he gets a demo.
Yes, sir. Yeah, man.
Want a demo, man?
In a minute. Yeah, let me finish his. And you said what kind of size alternator did you have?
300 XL.
300 XL. Can I see that too?
Yeah, I'll pop the hood for you.
Appreciate it.
All the batteries are hidden underneath here. You can't see them.
Okay, so you have a hidden compartment.
Yeah, where my spare tire was. And
That's pretty clean. Y'all did a good job on this.
Thank you.
That
Yeah,
looks
he built it for me and I installed everything.
Nice. You got a little bit of airflow in the amp from that.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, it pushes on it. I want to get some fans for the side. These things, I don't know.
And this is at 1 ohm or half ohm?
Half ohm.
Because okay, half ohm.
Yeah, they're allowed to read it. These are D4s, so it allows it to read down to
D4 down to half ohm.
Yep.
Awesome.
Yeah, man.
I like this.
I just got them in, man. I'm excited.
Are the subs still breaking in?
Yeah, we only played for what, 15 seconds, and I already started smelling them. So I was like, let me turn it down.
Yeah.
So. It's all the way at the damn bottom, so it's hard to see.
You got the big 3 at least.
Big 3,
yeah,
and then I got
down there.
Yeah, it's down right in here, Brand X.
The XL's nice because it has like 220, isn't it? At like idle.
I think so. Yeah,
because the idles are really good for XLs. Yeah.
And then I got a welding wire throughout the whole vehicle.
Okay.
0 gauge.
Awesome. Appreciate it. Nice to meet you. What was your name?
Joel.
Joel. All right, Joel.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Auto has a lot.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.